Alright, hello, welcome back to Graff's Woodshop. My name is Josh, and today we are going to be opening up this Finish Max Super Paint Sprayer. This is made by HomeRight. I got this off Amazon for right around $110. Pretty good deal. Pretty excited to try this thing out. Today's just going to be a little bit of an unboxing and an initial review to give you guys kind of an idea of what this is. Hopefully I'll do a follow-up later on down the road and let you know how much I like it or not. But we're going to get out today, do just a little bit of painting, a little bit of spraying, and see how it goes. I'm really hoping this helps speed things up because getting tired of some rollers, some brushes. We're going to see what this does. So let's get after it. Alright, so I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Let's get this thing open right here. It'd be a lot easier with two hands, but that's what we're doing. Alright, so here we go. Seeing the paint sprayer in here. Let's get this puppy out. Alright, so here is the main part right here. We got our tank. Got our trigger, pretty happy with that. Let's see what else we got in the box here. Alright. Very important. We got some instructions right here. Probably gonna end up needing that. So yeah. What else we got in here? Alright, so we got a little cleaning brush, a cap. Wow, that wind is blowing loud outside. And we got some different spray nozzles in there and the tiniest little wrench I believe I have ever seen. So I'm going to get this thing out, mix up a little bit of paint, and try it out and let you know what I think, guys. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, just a quick little overview of what was in that bag. We did have this tiny little wrench right here. We had our nice little cleaner brush. We'll see how handy that is. And then we've got this right here. This is a wide spray pattern cap. There's also a different spray cap already on the machine for more fine spray, but this is our wide one. And then we got two different nozzles here in addition to the nozzle that is already on the machine. So 3 different sizes. We've got 4mm, 2mm, and 1.5mm. And of course this nice little cap to put on the bottle for if you're saving your paint for later. So I'm gonna fill this up with some paint, try it out. Alright, so it's a few weeks later. I've been using the sprayer quite a bit. You know what? I really like it. This thing, it's fast. It's saving me a ton of time. Much quicker than the roller, much quicker than the brush. It's also leaving a lot better finish than what I had before. So that's really nice. Now the finish is kind of relative. You're paying $100. I wouldn't want to spray a car with this, but for some projects out of some 2x4s or some 1x4s that I'm picking up from Lowe's, it's doing a great job. Definitely an upgrade from what I had before. Also, the cleanup is not near as bad as what I expected. I was really pretty worried about this thing. Thought the cleanup was going to be a pain, but it's not too bad. 15 minutes maybe, all done. I wouldn't want it for a super small project. That's totally fine. Some of the bad things about it is this thing, when you fill this container up with paint, it can get heavy. You're spraying for long amounts of time. So maybe just put a little bit of paint in it if you're not going to be spraying too terribly long. Or just fill it up halfway and keep refilling it. But you can get a nice arm workout. Maybe that's a pro, maybe that's a con. Leave that up to you. Also, this extension cord, it's like 2 foot long. It keeps coming unplugged for me as I'm using this thing, as it's pulling on the other extension cord. So that's something to kind of keep in mind. Maybe you can tie a knot in between the two, connect them up, and that would help you out there. But all in all, I really like this thing. I'm going to keep using it. Definitely worth the $100 I spent on it. So yeah, really happy. If there's anything else you've seen around my shop you'd like me to do a quick little video on, let me know down in the comments. Be sure and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye.